Nuby My Real Potty for my daughter. So let's take a look. Ooh, there's a battery inside. Yeah, gotta flash this out, man. So this is very portable. So there's a flash going there. So I think that's battery operated. Oh, I can't open it. How to open this? Yeah, you're gonna push this thing. So we're gonna try this one. Oh, you're gonna screw it. Screw this thing up. So I have this EDC screw driver. Bought this. So you just screw this thing. So this is very light and portable. See this? Yeah. So if your baby done with the poop thing, you're gonna remove this and this will do the washing. So if you run out of plates, you can try to make food there and eat. Same. So this is very useful. You can use this for your food plate and also for your poop. So we're gonna unscrew this and see what's the music sounds like. Scratch this battery. We bought this mini portable poop at Lazada wholesale. So everything you see there is on sale on Lazada and bought Shopee. So very tight. Yeah. So we're gonna put this battery and let's see what's. Oh, it's running. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Oops. Let's tighten up this so the baby will not hit the screw. Okay. Finish. Yeah. So let's flush this. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. So we're gonna try this to my baby. Let's see if she wants to poop here. So that's it.